Hello, this is Educational with Salaxi. Welcome back to today's video lesson. My name is Jerry, and this is another video lesson talking about foundational mathematics, still on solving equations, and we'll be looking at practice understanding variables. Our previous lesson was talking about understanding variables. Now in this lesson, we're going to look at practice questions, all right, to test our understanding of what variables are. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's start the practice. Now this question here, it says, what is the weight of one ball? So we've got 4 balls here with total weight of 80 in a scale. So one ball is going to be 80 divided by 4, and when we do that, it's going to have 20. So let's check for the correctness of the answer. So that's correct. All right. Okay, that's correct. Let's continue. Now, the second question here is, what is the total weight of the items on the scale? Use B for balls and T for triangles. So we are going to designate T for triangles and B for ball. So we have 2B plus T plus 10. So the total weight here is going to be 2B plus T plus 10. All right. So that is going to be the total weight here. Okay. 2B plus T plus 10. So it's going to be 2B plus T plus 10. That is it. So done. Let's check it out. That's correct. Now let's look at the other question here. What is the weight of each square S and each ball B? So we have 2 scales here measuring 60 kg and 50 kg respectively. So the 60 kg scale has 4 squares and 2 balls. Okay, and this other one, which weighing 50 kg, has 2 squares and 2 balls. Okay, so what is the weight of each square and each ball? Let's subtract these balls. We subtract 60, we subtract 50 from 60, we have 10. So let's subtract the total weight here from here. So the balls cancel each other out, the squares take each other out. So what will be left here will be just 2 squares. So 2 squares left will just be what? 10 kg. If 2 squares is 10 kg, what happens to the value of 1 square? 1 square will be 5 kg. So 1 square is 5 kg. So I am rooting for this option. If 1 square is 5 kg, let's look for what 1b will be. So from here, 1 square is 5 kg. So 1 square, 5 plus 5, which is 10. 10 kg plus 2b is what? 50. Subtract 10 from 50, give us 40. 2b, 40. So b is 20. So let's check for the answer. See, that's correct. Let's look at why. Why is that so? S, can see. So we can subtract everything on the right scale from the left scale, and when we do that, we'll be left with this. So these 2 here, 2s is 10, and ss, now what is the value of each? It's 5, just like I have said, it's 5. So now we'll come back to this scale. Here is 5, here is 5, and here is b and b. So 10 and 2b. So subtract 10 from 50, we have 40. 2b is equal to 40. So what is the weight of each balls? bb is 40. So each ball now will be 20 each. So, and that is the correct answer to the question. All right, let's finish this up now. Okay, so I believe that you have understood variables. These are beginner classes of understanding variables, and this guided practice will help you to appreciate better how to deal with variables. Don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button and the notification icon for more videos when I upload them in this solving equation series. Thank you for staying with me in this lesson. See you in our next lesson.